part 2 of the dog feeding vlog. As you see here, these are the dogs I filmed in my first video on YouTube with. You will be able to see. So they have been here since puppies. Most of them got adopted. Look him here. Look. They look just like their mother, except this one. She looks like a dad. These 1, 2, and 3 are females, and they are eating the same rice, chicken rice. And they used to live in here that before, and they were puppies. So now they'll just eat their food. Part 2, this one is going to be a lot smaller because I don't think we have much dogs left. So we'll see. It's not even a minute now. He used to have mange and couldn't even recognize him because he used to have mange, but now he got medicated and now he doesn't even look like he had mange. So just like him now. So this is the mother of the puppies. Now she's sterilized. So that is Colette, the brown one. She is Coco. And her, I don't actually remember her name. I don't know how. She had gotten parvovirus a long time back, but now she's good. Colette. Her name is Ranchi and his name is Blackie. So they're just eating their food right now. Look, they're so big and they were born in front of us. There used to be a lot of trees here, they cut them down. Okay. Look. Whee! So, look, there are a lot of greenery here, big trees, sunshine. So, we'll just wait for them to eat the food and then we'll go to the next dog. Because they are usually who eat the most of the food where there's a factor here. Okay, so they usually who eat most of the food because they are mostly, there's a lot of factor. Okay, so I was talking, they are mostly dependent on us for food because there's not a source from here for food. So that's why that is where most of our food goes, they eat it. Okay. We're eating roti now. They're so big now. They look just like their mother. They actually look like siblings, you can't even tell because they're so big. Everybody's so big now. Okay. And then there's switch button. Okay, let's switch to camp. Okay. It's so cute. They're eating their food. She dropped it on the ground. She was very hungry. So it's just a little while until we go. It's been 5 minutes here. Only here. She's a little scared of us every time. I don't know why, but they all aren't. All of their siblings are safe and have gotten adopted. So I'll just sit here. the puppies have also been sterilized. The baby, like she is sterilized. The black one, the one right there, is also sterilized. They are everybody sterilized because it's hard to take care of puppies. Like the mother and father have had a little before us, and they all died because they can't live on a road like that. So that's why they're all sterilized, and we try to sterilize as many dogs as we can. Like every dog that is friendly to us and we know like it is going to stay there, we get it sterilized. So you have to get a dog sterilized after more than 6 months old, so that it can't have babies. Look, it's so cute. Okay, so now I'll just get on the scooty. I'll just let her turn it. So after that I'll get on and go to the next dog. Mom. Had a little bruise on his nose. So I just give this to her. Why is this wet? Take it. They're not very hungry now. They're filled. I'll just give it to her if she wants to have it. I'll just keep it here. They'll have it if they want to. Okay, so now let's go. I'm just turning the scooty. This is a busy road, so I'll just have to cross the road. Okay, sometimes they try to follow us. So now let's go, Mom. Whoop. Don't go. Okay. Last part you saw that little puppy which it also came from near them, not the same litter but near them. The puppy you saw, and you also saw Shay's hand. So now let's see what dogs are up to get food next.